Next.
Magtagad lang ka, uy. Bawal lang ka, uy. Bawal din, bawal. Please, bawal. Oh my God. Ay. Hello.
Ate, muna ka.
Please, please, die. Malapit babalik sa
Sir, okay lang po lumapit ako kay Billy. Okay, sir.
Doon ka na lang sa harap, sir.
Kapag
Doon siya kaharap.
Okay po. Susunod po.
Maraming sa inyo galing pang
Norway.
Oh, sige.
sa iba't ibang bansa. Maraming salamat kasi nabiyahe pa kayo, nag-absent pa kayo. At madami kayong pinagliban na mga kailangan ninyong gawin para pumunta dito. So maraming salamat sa oras ninyo at sa pagpapakita ninyo ng suporta kay Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte. At yes, kakatapos lang ng aking pagbisita sa kanya at okay naman siya. Nagtatanong lang siya sa mga timelines kasi nga malapit na yung eleksyon at tinatanong niya kung ano ang nangyayari sa kampanya ng mga senador at tinanong niya kung papaano siya makakabalik dahil nga meron din siyang election sa Davao City. So yun yung napag-usapan kanina. Yung kampanya at eleksyon na nangyayari sa ating bayan at nag-express din siya ng fears niya, apprehensions niya sa baka merong mangyaring dagdag bawas, yung mga ganon na mga usapan sa eleksyon, sa halalan. At okay naman siya, may rice na, may kanin na, lagi. At yung mga taga Netherlands kahapon nagsabi sila iba daw ang pagkaluto ng ng kanin dito. Tinanong ko siya kung tama ba yung pagkaluto ng kanin. Tama naman daw. On that point, na perfect na natin yung kanin, yung rice doon sa loob at medyo mahina pa siya kumain kasi nga he's getting used to sa pagkain sa ulam kasi hindi Pilipino yung ulam pero meron ng rice at meron naman siyang access sa gatas at prutas, yun din yung hinihingi niya noon. So okay naman siya. Ang kanyang may mga sakit na si Pangulong Duterte, natural lang yon dahil mag 80 years old na siya. So merong doktor na nagmo-monitor sa kanya at meron din silang nurses na nagmo-monitor din sa kanya. Ang kanyang blood sugar, nilagyan na siya ng gadget para sa blood sugar niya. So meron na silang parang electronic checking doon 4 times a day sa kanyang blood sugar. So medyo controlled naman ang blood sugar. Ang problema na lang natin ay hindi mapigilan yung pag-inom niya ng Coke Zero. Bago ako umalis, binilhan ko siya ng 4 na Coke Zero. Nag-iwan ako doon ng 4 na Coke Zero. Bumili ako para sa kanya at sinabi ko na once a day yan. Kasi ang grocery mo will come sa Wednesday. Ang grocery list mo will come sa Wednesday. So once a day yung 4 na Coke Zero na iniwan ko sa'yo. At sabi niya, bakit? Sabi niya, bakit? Once a day lang ang Coke Zero ko. So, sabi niya, 3 beses daw kumakain araw-araw, breakfast, lunch, dinner. So, at least daw 2 cans of Coke Zero a day. So, I know, right? So, sabi ko sa kanya, okay, babalik naman kasi ako sa Monday kasi meron akong schedule sa'yo. So, 4 yan, gawin mo na lang 2 bukas, 2 sa Monday. And then, pagdating ko, bigyan na naman kita ng bagong stock mo ng Coke Zero. Yes, and then sabi niya wala namang problema sa Coke Zero kasi wala man itong sugar, so wala itong problema sa
Stubborn
So, yes, I know. And then I said na, yes, it doesn't have sugar, but it has sugar substitute, so we have a problem with carcinogens, and then we will deal with cancer.
Yeah.
Sabi niya, I'll deal with cancer when it comes. I have diabetes, I'll deal with cancer when it comes. So,
He's so brave.
So right now, yes. So right now, I'm just keeping him comfortable, letting him, asking him to adjust to the ways inside, and asking him to observe the other detainees and how they do things, so that he knows how the system works inside. And then, well, yes, yun lang naman ang niya, ang kanyang damit. Sabi niya, ipadala daw yung maleta niya na nasa akin. So, ipadala yon. Ang kanyang Coke Zero, make sure na merong unlimited supply ng Coke Zero. And then, he asked for shaving cream, which was free inside. So, they just had to teach him where to access the shaving cream. And then, the rice, we already solved the rice problem.
Inununan pa. Paano?
I already submitted
A list?
yes, a PDF file of Filipino recipes. I already asked the lawyer to send it inside, and then maybe they can consider cooking the recipes in the list, because a very simple, simple.
So you're not allowed to bring anything in, no?
No.
All right, okay. That's what we thought.
But they allowed me my credit card so that I can buy him things.
Be careful with the Coke.
Yes, yes. I told him that, but he's 80 years old, and then he's just, I'm 80. I deserve all that.
Question,
All
did
the
you know
diseases.
exemption for the food sa birthday? Walang exemption, PP? Wala siya exemption?
I already asked that from the guards if I can bring cake.
birthday niya.
Yes, I can bring cake, but then cake is not allowed for him. So
Yes. Cake zero.
Cake zero. But then I'll ask the lawyer as well, because they know more how to talk to the administration than I do. I'm just learning the ropes inside as I go in every day. Yes, so
Quick question about his movement. Is he allowed to go around?
yes, he is allowed, but he doesn't want to. He doesn't want to go around. So, I told him that. Can you just do what the doctor tells you? The doctor is telling you to use your muscles.
Right.
He's not even allowed to do the wheelchair now because
Are
the
there
doctor wants him
therapists or
to.
nurses coming in to help him out?
Yes, there are. Everyone's helping him out inside.
That's good.
But he said that if I go out, I'll go straight to the gates and go out. So, that's what he told me. I told him.
You're not gonna go far then.
I told him to avail of your rights to go outside and walk. And then he said, no, I don't want to do that because I will walk to the gate.
He's not gonna go far.